Are you looking for the best kick scooters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best kick scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Gotrax KS1 Kids Kick Scooter. The Gotrax Kids Scooter is a fantastic choice for young riders. The exciting LED-lighted wheels provide a captivating charm, making it safe and fun for kids to ride even in the dark. With lean-to-steer technology, children can develop balance and coordination effortlessly. The adjustable handlebars ensure the scooter grows with your child, and the easy disassembly feature makes it convenient to carry or store. Equipped with ABC7 bearings wheels and a wide anti-slip deck, this scooter offers stability and a smooth ride experience on any surface. What we like: sturdy and stable design, adjustable handlebar height, easy assembly, light up LED wheels, lean to steer for balance. What we don't like: minor brake issue, quickly resolved. Number 2. OutdoorCruiser Foldable Kick Scooter with Dual Suspension. The OutdoorCruiser foldable scooter offers a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its large 8-inch high rebound wheels and quality ABC7 bearings, which glide easily over sidewalks and rough surfaces. Its dual suspension system helps absorb shocks, making every ride more enjoyable. You can adjust the handlebar to 3 different heights, so it fits kids, teens, and even adults perfectly, providing a comfortable grip. The scooter is built with a strong yet lightweight mix of steel and aluminum, supporting riders up to 250 pounds while still being easy to carry and store. Its wide, low deck adds stability and makes it easy to balance and push along effortlessly. What we like: adjustable handlebars for all ages, large wheels for smooth ride, lightweight and foldable design, sturdy construction supports adults, shock absorption for comfort. What we don't like: minor folding mechanism preference. Number 3. Gotrax KS3 Kids Kick Scooter. The Gotrax KS3 scooter is the ideal first scooter for kids aged 3 years and up. With its eye-catching flash wheels that illuminate even in the dark, your child will be the center of attention while riding. The lean-to-steer technology allows kids to turn by leaning, promoting balance and coordination. The foldable and removable seat provides versatility, allowing kids to switch between sitting and standing modes. The adjustable handlebars make it perfect for growing children. With its easy assembly and lightweight design, this scooter is easy to carry and store. Safety is ensured with the ABC7 bearings wheels, wide anti-slip deck, and rear fender brake. Plus, with excellent after-sales service and a 1-year warranty, you can trust that this scooter is built to last. What we like: bright LED light-up wheels, adjustable handlebar height, easy assembly, stable 3-wheel design, removable seat option. What we don't like: occasional assembly difficulty, rare seat alignment issue. Number 4. Voyager Bluey Self-Balancing Kick Scooter. The Voyager Bluey Kick Scooter offers a smooth and quiet ride thanks to its large PU wheels, which handle uneven surfaces with ease. This stability ensures your child can enjoy riding without bumps or noise distractions. Designed for kids ages 3 to 7, its durable build means it will last 3 years of fun. The scooter features an innovative lean-to-steer system, allowing your child to make sharp, easy turns by simply leaning the handlebars, making steering intuitive and fun. Plus, the high-quality materials, including a sturdy nylon deck and non-slip handlebars, provide a safe and comfortable experience for every ride. What we like: easy assembly, sturdy design, great for toddlers, fun ride experience, attractive appearance. What we don't like: wheel durability concerns. Plastic may be flimsy. Number 5. WAYPLUS Kick Scooter for Kids, Teens and Adults. The WAYPLUS Kick Scooter is designed for kids, teens, and adults, with a maximum load of 240 pounds. It features a quick push-button folding system, a double-layer lock handlebar, an extra-wide non-slip deck, 8-inch wear-resistant wheels with ABS-C9 bearings, and adjustable handlebar heights. It also comes with a carrying strap and a lifetime service. Customers love the wider deck for kids, the secure handlebar lock, and the light brake for children. What we like: lightweight and portable design, sturdy and durable build, smooth and comfortable ride, easy folding mechanism, adjustable for different ages. What we don't like: metal deck durability concerns. Handle height may be limited.